What's going on, guys? I have another video out of Sacramento, California, where police investigate a domestic violence call. Let me know in the comments what you want to see more of, and please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel.
All right, what do you need the police for, hon?
Because my husband, he just put a gun on me. He has my car. I just jumped out the car and I ran.
Okay, what kind of car did he take off in?
No, he can't leave because I have the key.
So he's sitting there with the car?
Yeah, he has the car because he put it into the liquor store. He wanted me to go in the store and get him some alcohol. And I refused to do that because, I'm going to be honest, we're homeless. We've been living in our car.
You want to try to contact him inside, or?
Yeah, I'm good with it.
All right.
Just stay behind him, yeah. Thank you. Hello, sir. Sir, are you Daron?
What?
Because I'm asking you.
Okay, well, I'm declining to answer that question.
Because I'm investigating a domestic violence
Oh,
incident.
no, I'm not involved in any domestic violence incident.
I'm sorry, what?
I'm not involved in any domestic
Okay,
violence incident.
but I asked you your name.
Okay, so?
Is your name
I
Daron?
don't have to tell you my name.
Okay, perfect. We're going to detain you.
Wait a minute. For what? I told her to go. I told you what I'm doing.
Is your name Daron? You're matching the description of a call that we're on, and I'm trying to find out what's going on. Is your name Daron? Sir? Okay.
Please, don't hurt me.
Stop, relax.
You're hurting me.
Then stop fighting.
You're hurting me.
But you guys are being hella hard.
You're hurting me. You're hurting me.
Okay.
Y'all don't learn nothing about black lives. They in here doing him wrong.
Sorry.
Okay, you could have did something, but still you don't have to be this aggressive with people.
There's
We all human.
There's an alleged firearm, so I just wanted to make sure that the
Yeah, but it's
public was
registered
safe.
to him. I heard it on the scanner.
It
Y'all don't have to be
but you
so
could still
rough.
commit crimes with a
So
gun.
what? Somebody got to say something. Everybody just standing around. The fuck?
He is safely detained.
Alright, we're gonna see you. Can you step on your body? Yeah. I get the all the way.
Sorry. Oh, sorry. Go for it. We'll move it. We'll move it. Yeah. Sorry about that. Hello, ma'am. We could talk in the shade if you would like. Did you need the fire department for anything?
No.
You're not injured in any way? Okay. Do we have your,
That's my car.
that's your car? Do we have permission to go to search it for a gun?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, 28 from 29, we have
You the man
consent.
at the store, huh?
Oh no, he's on a ride along with us.
Oh, I thought you got guy at the store. Say hi, Papa.
Oh, really?
In Daly City.
Oh, no way. I grew up in South San Francisco, right there by Mike and Ken's off of Oyster Point.
Okay, yeah. Oh, I like your artwork.
Thank you. All right, ma'am. So what happened today? When did this all start? So who is he to you, first of all?
Soon to be ex-husband.
Okay, how long have you guys been together for?
13 years married and 15 years together.
Has he ever put his hands on you before?
Yeah.
Okay. Has it been reported to the police or anything like that, or?
See, we just moved. Well, I jumped stayed on him. We were staying in Washington,
Okay.
and he's going through all this domestic stuff there. I have a restraining order on him there.
Okay.
So, we try to reconcile, because God said, divorce is not an option, but this is an option for me. I already filed for the divorce papers and all that, but it started today when I got off work.
Okay.
Well,
What time was that?
I got off work at 1 o'clock today.
Okay.
And being that his car's broke down, he's been using my car. So I have an attitude about that. I don't like to get jumped on.
Yeah.
So he always brings up the issue, it's my car too. It's half of mine because my last name is his. I put the down payment on the car. I traded in my other car to get this car. But he didn't do anything. But technically it's mine. But technically just because the law says that everything that we accumulated in marriage, it belongs to both of us.
Yeah.
But no, that's mine.
No, absolutely. Yeah.
But it started today at 1. I knew he was drinking because, 1, I get off work at 1 today. Today is Thursday. I work at a school. So I called him with an attitude. Well, you don't have to be a bee about it. Oh, I forgot.
So he forgot to pick you up?
Yeah, he was like 20 minutes late, so I called him. So when I get in the car, big old commotion. I do what I want to do. This, and it's just a bunch of mess.
Yeah.
So we're homeless. I keep my dog at my best friend's house. She lives around the corner over there. So you want to go get her all of a sudden. But all in all, you don't even like my dog. So I know that he wanted to do something to me and her. So we're not stuck on the freeway, but he pinned me in on a guardrail.
Where was that at?
On the freeway going that way.
Okay. Do you remember which freeway?
It was the 80.
The 80. So you're on Cap City coming in? Coming into downtown.
Yeah,
right? Yeah.
Going that way. No, going towards,
Downtown's that way.
No, we was going towards Marconi.
Oh, Marconi. So coming out.
No, we were going that way. Because we were on the freeway, got on the freeway on Norwood, the freeway right there. Right there, that first underpass.
Okay, because Norwood's over here.
Okay, I'm all toe up.
No,
Sorry.
it's okay.
Yeah, we just coming.
Okay, so you're over here by Norwood, and then he pulled over?
He pulled over.
Okay, so he pulled over on the freeway, and then what happened then?
He started chastising me about all these guys' numbers in my phone. I'm cheating on him and doing this and doing that. And threatening me. This is not the first time. This time he had a knife, but I know it's a gun in the car because it's my gun.
So what was he saying?
Tell me about all these niggas you've been messing with. Or
Okay.
excuse me, all these guys you've been messing with. Or all these females you've been messing with. I don't. I've been with him faithfully. I haven't been doing anything. But he thinks I am.
Okay, so what did he do with the knife? Did he pull it out, or
He had it out and he was just doing like this
in the car while you
in
were
the
there?
car. But
Just-
he wasn't doing it. He wasn't close to me, but it was close.
Okay.
Like he's in the driver's seat and I'm in the
Yeah,
passenger
you're in
seat.
that's pretty close.
Yeah,
I mean,
that's
were you afraid that he could hurt you? I mean, cut you with the knife? Were you covering yourself?
Yeah, I have one of the earrings that he pulled out. I mean, it came out of my ear.
That was from today?
Yeah.
Okay.
And she's nervous because she's shedding.
Okay, so he's swinging the knife around. You're covering yourself. You believe it was obviously close enough to get you. You were afraid that he might hurt you with the knife. And he's saying, tell me about all these people on your phone, blah, blah, blah. And then what else happened?
Then he made me erase everything on my phone, so I don't have any phone numbers. I'm glad my best friend called me because that's the only number that I have on my phone. He made me erase everything, no messages, no nothing.
Did he say that he was going to hurt you with the knife? Did he say anything like, I'm going to stab you, cut you?
He said specifically, because what happened was my phone is messed up. So it called the police like 3 times when I was at work. It was in my pocket. I didn't know that until after I got in the car.
Yeah.
I looked at my phone. I was like, I called the police. So they was calling back, but when I called them back, it didn't answer.
Okay.
So when we were in the car, and he said, okay, well, call the police now. Call them now. If you don't call them, when they show up, I'm going to shoot. I'm going to kill you, and then I'm going to kill them. That's what he said.
So he said, call the police now. When they show up, I'm going to kill
I'm going to kill you while they're right there, and then I'm going to shoot out with them.
He said shoot out specifically? Or?
Yeah.
Okay. And then did he know your firearm was in the car?
He took it from me.
When was that?
I don't know, a while ago.
Okay. So has he been in possession of it?
Yeah.
Okay. Where does he usually keep it?
Well, he hides it all the time because the car is so small. Like I said, we've been living in the car, so he moves it around. I don't know
How long do you think that he's been in possession of it?
Okay, he got here like a month ago.
Uh-huh.
And I had it, he gave it back to me, and then, you know, I keep it in the car, just for my sake. I have a gun license, so I keep it in my car. So it's been in my glove box or on my seat, but I don't think it's there now, because it's not in the glove box, it's not in the seat.
Okay.
He has it because he just pulled it out at me at the store. That's why I
store?
took the store.
Oh, right here. Okay. Well, we'll get to that.
Okay.
Okay. So you guys got here about a month ago. Usually the guns in the glove
No,
box.
I got here a month ago. He got here a month ago.
Okay. He got here a month ago. Usually your gun's in the glove compartment. It hasn't been there. So you guys are over on Norwood and stuff. He's waving the knife around, makes you delete your phone, and then did you just like keep driving?
When my best friend called, we ended up going back to her house because he wanted to go pick her up.
Okay.
So, you know, that's kind of strange because, you know, he don't like her. So we picked her up, and then we were talking to her for a minute, and then we were driving around this area, and then he pulls into the store. And then he was handing me the money to go in the store. I'm like, to myself, I shut down. I'm not saying anything to him, and that kind of like aggravated him, like, you're going to get your out the store, go into the store, give me a drink. And I'm like, I didn't say nothing. So after he got the gun, he cocked the gun.
Where did he grab the gun from?
It's a sheet set in my car.
It's a what?
A sheet, you know, like a bed and a sheet. It was inside there because it was brand new, and he stuck it inside there. He pulled it out, pulled the gun out, and he said, he was saying something about take your in the store and get the drink. But mind you, I didn't have the money. He didn't give me the money. So what I did is I told Poo-Poo, I said, go Poo-Poo. Poo-Poo left, and I just ran.
Okay. So he pulled the gun out. He said, take your ass in the store. And you said he was manipulating?
He already cocked the gun back.
Okay. So you watched him cock it back?
I heard it. I didn't see him. I heard it.
Okay. So you
after
heard?
After he was reaching for the gun, that's when he told me to just get out the car and
Okay.
go.
So did you see him come out with the gun? I know you said you heard a cock, but just for the report.
Yeah, I seen him get it out the sheet set, and then he cocked it, and then that's when I got out.
Okay. And then what's the gun look like?
It's a 9.
A 9? Black?
Black. I'm not gonna get it back.
We'll have to ask our sergeant, but I don't see a reason why you wouldn't get it back. Okay, and then that's when you came over here. You have your key fob, and then you just waited for us. Okay. And
Take him to the hospital.
yeah, because he tried to fight me.
He tried to fight you?
Yeah.
We're just gonna put him on a 72 LOR?
No, we're just gonna get him checked out.
For what?
He's complaining of pain to his arm.
He's a dopehead. He's an alcoholic. Excuse my French.
No. So he's here on a ride along, and I was like, this is a perfect way that I could show him that I'm de-escalating. Because I walked up and I was like, hello, sir. I was like, hey, like, are you Daron? Why do you want to know? I was like, well, I'm just here to make sure that you're okay. I'm investigating a domestic violence incident. I was like, are you Daron? I was like, you matched the description, so I just want to make sure, you know. And he stopped talking to me, didn't answer anything, and I'm thinking that he's armed with a gun. So I go to grab him, and he turns around with his, you know, trying to fight. So took him to the ground. So we're gonna go. We're gonna make sure that he's okay. And then did he punch you or hit you or?
A few times.
Was that in the car when you guys were like on the freeway?
It's just right here.
Okay.
It's like an open.
Okay.
I have a headache to prove it.
Oh, okay. So he was like open hand slapping you. Do you know like how many times he did that?
I don't know, about 10 times.
Okay. And then once again, you don't want fire to check you out or anything like that?
I'm fine. I just want to go get some Tylenol, and I got to go to work later. See, that's the thing, too. I'm going to have to end up probably quitting my job because he know where I live. I mean, know where I work.
Yeah, well, we'll talk you through all the, we could walk you through getting a restraining order.
I have one in Washington, but I didn't have one out here. But but he knows where I work. I just got these two jobs. What am I going to do? I don't have nowhere to go.
So we'll give you a pamphlet with a bunch of resources. I know. So you're new completely to the area, or?
No. I'm from San Francisco.
Okay.
We used to live here. Him and I used to live here 5 years ago. We moved to Washington, lived there for 5 years.
And then
now
you came back.
I came back because of domestic violence, and he followed me here.
Okay. Well, yeah, we can walk you through all of that. There's also, once I get my pamphlet, I'll show you. But there's like a bunch of programs here for victims of domestic violence. So there's like Weave.
Yeah, I know about that.
Okay,
yeah.
perfect. So I would love to get you in contact with them and see what we can figure out, what we can do to help you, because this is, I mean, I know you know, but this is not your fault, and you don't deserve to have someone that you're supposedly in a loving relationship with put their hands on you. So I'm very sorry that this happened to you, and I truly do mean that, and I would love to give you all the resources that we can and just try to point you in the right direction, because, like I said, I mean, you're only a victim here. Nothing you did deserves the treatment that you get from that man, okay? So if you wouldn't mind just hanging out right here for a second.
If he's gone, can I go back to my car?
Yeah.
Okay. Because I need to get her leash because she needs to go get some water and all that good stuff.
I have one you can borrow right now if you don't want to.
Sure.
Just so that way you don't gotta carry her. I hope it fits.
She's spoiled anyway. Hi, Mama.
Hi, my sweet thing.
She's stressed out because she never shed like this like that.
You are just so adorable.